Before I show my final build, I'm going to go ahead and kind of explain what I was doing. Originally, when I was trying to make this, I was going to plan on using an Arduino Nano, and this board that I made that had all the traces going into the right spot, so I could just take this Arduino Nano and plop it in place and everything would work fine. But I couldn't get the Nano to drive the stepper motors that I was planning on using. So even though the Uno and the Nano are basically the exact same board, I had to just take jumper wires from here, from the same pins on the Uno to the same pins that correspond here, which then actually made the project work correctly. So now that you kind of see the design that kind of went into this to try to keep it as clean as possible, and then you kind of see what happened. And then we have a rotary encoder that just gets plugged into these pins. But now you'll go ahead and see the build. So my DIY Etch-A-Sketch machine is finally working the way it should be. I have two rotary encoders. One is for vertical, to move it forward and backwards, which you can go ahead and show them. And then we have one that takes it left and right. And then basically I wanted to put a little platform here where you could hold the analog sticks, but it took too long to get it fully working. So this is about where we're at right now, but it's still functional and it's still pretty cool. So we just used a drawer guide here with a piece of wood and a hole in that piece of wood to hold the Sharpie. And then you have a drawer with two drawer guides over here just sliding back and forth with a motor, a stepper motor, and so what's powering right now is Arduino Uno with an easy driver. And originally this was supposed to be made for an Arduino Micro, or Nano I mean. It was supposed to sit on there, but I had problems with it working, so I just had to wire up these two Arduino Unos. But it seems to be working now, so